Struggling to find time to prepare healthy meals? We know it's a common predicament. Balancing a hectic schedule and maintaining a nutritious diet can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. With a little planning and the right recipes, you can easily whip up delicious and nutritious meals that will keep you energized all day. And we're here to guide you through it, step by step. No need to worry, here are some quick and healthy meal prep ideas for you. Kickstart your day with a nutritious breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, providing the fuel your body needs to get moving. And what better way to power up than with a protein-packed smoothie? This refreshing breakfast option is not just delicious, but also brimming with nutrients. Let's dive into how to whip it up. Start with a base of creamy almond milk, a dairy-free alternative that's low in calories yet high in calcium. Add a ripe banana for a natural sweetness and a boost of potassium. Next, incorporate a scoop of your favorite protein powder to keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. And don't forget the greens. Toss in a handful of spinach for an extra dose of vitamins and iron. Blend it all together until smooth, and voila! And there you have it, a quick and healthy breakfast ready in no time. How about a wholesome lunch that keeps you energized throughout the day? Now let's dive into creating a delightful quinoa salad with mixed vegetables and grilled chicken. Start by cooking some quinoa, a remarkable grain packed with protein and fiber. While that's simmering away, chop up a variety of colorful vegetables. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. These veggies are not just visually appealing, they're also chock full of vitamins and minerals. Next, grill up a lean piece of chicken. This lean protein will keep you feeling full and satisfied till dinner time. Once everything is cooked and cooled, mix them all together. Add a splash of your favorite light dressing for some zing. This meal is a perfect blend of complex carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. It's a complete package that fuels your body and keeps those midday slumps at bay. And just like that, you've got a healthy lunch prepared in advance. Healthy eating doesn't have to be time-consuming. From the invigorating breakfast idea we shared to the simple yet satisfying lunch prep, it's clear that nutritious meals can be made in a snap. Meal prepping is an effective tool for maintaining a well-balanced diet, and it seamlessly fits into any bustling schedule. It's not just about saving time, but also investing in your health and vitality. So go ahead, give these quick and healthy meal prep ideas a try, and watch as your health and energy levels improve.